Steve Reeves wasn't just a bodybuilder. He defined the silver era. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, Reeves brought something the world had never seen: perfect symmetry, a tiny waist, and godlike proportions. He won Mr. America, Mr. World, and Mr. Universe, becoming the blueprint for legends like Arnold Schwarzenegger. To this day, Steve Reeves remains the original standard of timeless physique perfection.